What's up, guys? We're gonna get them, man. We're gonna get them over there. QR code. How you guys doing, man? All right, what's up, guys? Sorry, man. Just checking out these new features we got here. You know, keeps getting better. That's all I can say. Let me make sure we're live. I'm hot on this Bankers, guys. We're gonna be launching this week on well, by Monday, hopefully, guys. I should say hopefully. You know, we're trying to get everything together to launch, and by Monday, you know, for Sosana, man. They're trying to get the utilities worked out. They got guys, they've been testing it. They got it, auditors are looking at it. And you know, hopefully it's gonna be good. Hopefully it's gonna be a go for Monday. That's what I'm hoping. So we'll see how it goes. But I think it's gonna be good, man. You know, these guys have been working hard, I could tell, man. You know, and these guys, one thing about these guys, I trust these guys, man. You know, they're doxed. They seem like straightforward, regular guys, man. And I'm glad about that. You know. So anyway, I'm live on Kick too. Hey guys. Hey winner. Thank you, winner. Winner 10. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, I'm live streaming on Kick too, guys. Let me pull the stream up here just so I have it on my phone. All right. All right, guys, we've been doing good. We got 2 wins this week. Try to get a quick win every day. That's how we do it here. Okay. Right now there's a sell on gold. Okay, I'm looking for a sell on gold. I want to see it come up here. I'd like to see it come up here and break this line. Or at least break this supply. Let's leave it for the supply. The supply box. Okay, that's the goal. That's what we're shooting for right now. Let me check US 30. Well, US 30 is up there now. US 30 could be a sell. Okay, nice. All right, let me watch that for a minute. Let me check NAS. NAS is in no man's land. We're right in the middle. See, we're right in the middle of this zone. It's right on the 200 too. No big surprise, right? What happened? Gold just dropped. Yep, gold is dropping. Now we're early, guys. Only 9:01. That's the 9 o'clock candle, giving us some volume, really. So today we got big news, I believe. Let me double check the calendar. Today is the 29th. So I believe at 2 o'clock. Yes, at 2 o'clock we got federal funds rate and the FOMC statement, and at 2:30 FOMC press conference. So this is big, guys. This has to do with the interest rate, and people are expecting a rate cut. So we're going to see how that plays out. I'm going to try to be back on at 2 o'clock so I could watch that live, and maybe we could catch some pips from that. I want to try to get a quick win this morning. That's my goal every day, guys. To get a quick win so we get some money. And, just a quick win, man. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just trading a little Forex here. And you're welcome to join me. I put the rules are in the chat, or in the under the video, in the description, how I trade. And I have a very high win rate, but I hold trades in drawdown. So you have to understand that, okay? If you're just starting trading, you're going to go through 1,000 people are going to tell you different ways to trade, and they all work if you got the right mindset. You can make any way work. I found this way works for me after going through a couple of years of winning 40 pips, then losing 50 pips, then winning 30 pips, then losing 25 pips. It's just going back and forth. I didn't like it. It didn't work for me. I made a little money, but it just wasn't steady. It just seemed silly, man. So now I just hold the trades with a smaller lot size, and I take a volume of trades. I try to take a trade here live every day to get a win, but I take many more trades offline. As the day goes on, I'll have sometimes 15, 20 trades running, and I'll have stop losses, and not stop losses, but take profits. Like if I take a sell here and it goes up to here, I may take another sell here and have it take profit right where this trade began. And it just goes up and down like a ladder, and that's the way I trade now. And I had a 98% win rate. You can find a video on my channel for the first 6 months of this year. And all of last year, I had a 96% win rate, and you can find a video on my channel for that too. Okay, I went back and showed the back office. So it works. It works for me. Okay, by the time you're done with me and whoever else you're watching or whatever, you're probably going to figure out something for yourself, man. And that's cool. That's usually the way it is. Me, I learned Fibonacci. I learned all kinds of I watched 100 different guys, and just learned a whole bunch of methods. ICT. I never really learned ICT. I watched some of it. I couldn't get into it. You needed like a college degree and a lot of patience to follow that, man. I don't have the patience for it. But I took piece from it, in my mind. I took pieces from everything that I've seen, man. And I put this together. This is my own invention. I guess that's the way I look at it anyway. There may be someone else trading like this. I haven't met him yet, but there could be. Who knows? I mean, there's a million people out there trading that I haven't met, so I'm sure one of them is doing it, something at least similar to the way I'm doing it. And that's cool. Shout out to you, whoever you are, man. And shout out to you, man. If you don't like the way I'm trading, man, hey, I wish you nothing but luck, man. I wish you the best, man. I'm not selling anything, so, I'm just here to try to help, man. That's it. That's my goal. If I can help a few people, I believe that I could take a buy or a sell right here and manage that trade and hold it with a small lot size, of course, and turn it into a winner. Let's say I take a buy right here, and it comes all the way down here. And I'll say, okay, I'm going to take another buy here. Okay. It doesn't have to come all the way back up here. If it comes here, I could close both of them and I'm up. You know what I mean? I mean, it's so, it's very flexible. It's more flexible than you think, and I think you got to look at it as, it's all in your mindset, I win because I know I'm going to win. I told myself I'm a winner, man, a million times. And it's just the way it is, man, I just know I'm going to win. And I don't care if the trade goes against me, because I know later on I'm going to catch another trade and ride it back up right to my entry on that trade. And it's going to be more pips than I originally thought I was going to get usually. Now I do lose trades, don't get me wrong. But a lot of times, even those losses you see on my record, there's situations that I just showed you, man. Well, let's say I took a buy here. It came down here. I took another buy. I took it all the way to here. I said, you know what? Let me close both of them. So I'm up 180 pips on here, and I'm down 50 pips on this one. I closed both. This one's a loss on my record. This one's a win, but I'm up 130 pips. You know what I mean? So that's the way I do it, man. Just a quick explanation, guys, for anybody that's new. So that's the way it is, man. And guys, give me a like. I hope you guys, like I said, I wish you guys nothing but the best, man. Wish you nothing but the best. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this. The channel's not really growing the way I thought it would. So we'll see, man. I'm not a kid. I don't really care about it that much, man. The only reason I started doing this channel, man, is because I was kind of bored. Trading is lonely, man. My wife doesn't understand it. She doesn't want to understand it. You know how women are. And it's just the way it is, man. You're sitting here staring at a chart for 3 hours a day, or even when I'm out, I have alerts going off on my phone. Like if I took a buy here and it starts coming down, I'll set an alert to take another buy here. The alert will go off. It'll tell me, gold 3-minute chart, buy now. That's what the alert will say, and I'll take another buy. And then I'll watch it. Then I'll set a TP on that buy for right here where I got in on this buy. I don't let them overlap usually, because my thinking on that is, and I've been doing this a while, so it's kind of trial and error, but I hate for it to come all the way up here. I usually put the take profit like a couple of pips in profit. When this one goes a couple of pips in profit, the other one closes. Okay, and the reason is, so many times, the reason why I took a buy here, it's usually near an area like this. These are major areas. So a lot of times it'll come right here, and then it'll fall off again. So I want to close, and if it falls off again, I have the option of taking it again, another buy. So I'm not carrying that drawdown back down. That money's already in the bank, and then when it comes down, I'll take another buy. So that's the way I do it, guys. In a quick overview. So now let's put it to practical test, right? See if it works. Find a nice trade here today. I'm actually looking for a sell on gold. I wanted to see it pop above this supply zone here. Let me check US 30. Okay, US 30 is going up. I don't know if it's going to keep going up right now. You know, it could be coming here. I don't know what effect, if they do cut the rate, which, you know, everyone thinks they're going to cut the rate, but it's not guaranteed. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to take any action on that ahead of time, really, man. But I wonder if it'll make US 30 and NAS drop. I got a feeling it'll win because I think should make gold go up, I think, because the value of the dollar should go down, right? If they cut the rate. You know, I'm just thinking out loud, guys. And so I think US 30 and NAS will go down and gold will go up. That's what I think. Well, we'll see, man. We'll see how it plays out. All right, we got NAS here. I'm looking at a buy on NAS now. That's what I have in my mind. Let's see what we do. We're coming to the 200 is right here. The strongest support and resistance you will ever see. You'll notice that it always comes back to the 200. You know, here it's just riding. You know, it's not really on it, but it's riding it up. Man, we came up, huh? Across the 200 here. That pretty much started the run. Came right here for like a retest. Boom. I usually trade the 1 minute, but lately I've been checking out the 3 minute. Doesn't mean I'm going to stick with the 3 minute, guys. That's my flavor for the week. I'm always looking at new things, guys. You'll see new things on my chart. I got the 3 main indicators that I use are in the description, guys, and they're on my chart always. You'll see other things come and go that I'm just looking at that I've stumbled upon or someone told me about, and I'm just having a look at them. 99 out of 100 times they don't stay. I don't keep them on the chart. I don't know. They don't do nothing. They don't do it for me most of the time. Someone send me a message, guys. Hold on a sec. Someone wants me to join a group for Sosana. I have to think about that. It's on Telegram. I'm not crazy about Telegram, man. I'll be honest with you. But I'll take a look at it later. I'm very wary of Telegram, man. If people send me a message on that, I just block them right away, man. I don't want to deal with these scammers on there, man. Especially when they start with that dear crap. Yeah, I said it yesterday. Hello, dear. I see we're in the same group. Block. That's how it is, man. Crazy, bro. All right, guys. Let's see what we got, man. We're riding the 200. We just rejected off it. So it's looking good. I might take it on the break of this. Man, I got to watch. There's a fair value gap right here. I'll make a decision right on the... Hold on, I'm getting messages. Damn. Scammers everywhere, my friends. Scammers everywhere. Be careful out there. These guys connected to a website that told them like to analyze their coin, predict what it's going to do. They connected their wallets to some website and it stole all their coins, man. Bro, you got to be crazy, man. Why are you connecting to some website? Why are you connecting your wallet? You should be able to just put the address of the coin, you know, and then it should analyze the coin. Why you got to connect your wallet, man? I don't know. I don't connect nothing. I don't click nothing. That's it. All right, it keeps rejecting off the 200 here, guys. I'm looking for a buy here. Let's see if it'll come back down to the 200. Take a long position, not to the 200 and that fair value gap. Excuse me, guys. My allergies kicking in again. Every morning. Like clockwork. That's one idea, guys. All right. Let me see what US 30 is doing. I think I'll wait for a sell on US 30 or NAS. Check gold. See if there's any news on. You think they're going to cut the rate, guys? What do you guys think, man? I think they're going to cut the rate. Trump's been pressuring them to do it, man. And I think they're going to do it. I feel like they have to do it, man. Guys, give me a like on the stream, man. Shout out to you guys on Kick, man. Appreciate you, man. If you want to check out 10-minute video, man, it explains the utility, right, for Sosana click the link in the description or scan the QR code there above my head. Also, if you want the crypto debit card, click that link, and there's a video on that page explaining that. Another 10-minute video, something like that. I am in a trade if you guys are interested. It's right at break even. I'm selling Euro GBP. Okay, if you want to sell that, you can get in now. I'm right at my entry now. So it's right where I got in within a few pips. So if you guys want to take that, take it for 20 or 30 pips. It's on a sell, guys, on Euro GBP, Euro Great British Pound. Okay, I'm in a sell on Euro GBP. I got in early this morning. I've just been holding. It hasn't really done nothing. I'm in like 3 pips drawdown, something like that. So if that's something you're interested in, and set a TP. Let me look at it quick. I didn't set a TP yet. I'm just kind of holding it now. You can set a TP 87768, 0.87768. That's a good TP. It's about 30 pips. If you want to take that, up to you guys. I should have put it in the Facebook group, but I forgot. Nobody interacts in the Facebook group but me, man, so I kind of forget about it. It gets boring, man. People are like zombies, man. Every day I'm posting wins in there. They don't even freaking press like, man. Bunch of lazy bastards in there. That's funny. Yeah, it is what it is. I guess it's my fault. I don't know how to social media. I'm too old for social media, maybe, but it's just annoying to me. Anyway, that's Euro GBP, guys. If you're interested, it goes. All right, guys, I'm going to take a buy on NAS. I'm in. See what happens now. I'm not worried about it, guys, if it goes against me, because we've been so bullish lately that I'll just hold it. We'll be back. We'll be back. Plus, I'm expecting it to come up here and sweep before. If it is going down, I'm expecting it to sweep this area and grab this liquidity and then drop. So it may come down and come back up and grab this liquidity later. But I think it's going to grab that liquidity. $9:24 already, guys. So about 5.5 minutes to New York. This is a short trade here, guys. So just to that box. That's 45 pips, not too bad. 44 pips. We'll call it 40 pips for the sake of it. Let me check out GJ. I'm going to trade a little bit more today like I usually trade, which means I'm going to have more trades just for the heck of it. I usually don't do this while I'm live. I just kind of try to pick one trade. But I'm going to pick a buy on GJ. Okay, guys, I'm buying GJ, guys. Okay, I'm in. Right about there. Let's see. Go back to US 30. All right, US 30, I'm not touching. Nice. Okay, so we're in a NAS buy and a GJ buy, right? Right. Let's see what happens. That's nice. That's good tea, man. Great tea, guys. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I don't know why. Yesterday, I've been walking 6 miles a day lately. I do 3 miles in the morning and 3 miles after dinner. I don't know. It makes me hungry. I eat more and I gain more weight. Crazy. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. Oh. Man, it's killing me. All right, we're in profit, guys. We're in profit on NAS. Let's get a little excited here. Let me go to the 2-minute. I like the 2-minute. We got 3 minutes. We're below the 200 though on that. Let me go to 3-minute. Now we're below the 200 again. I don't like to be below the 200 when I'm going to buy, but that's the way this cookie crumbled. We're right about it on entry. We're right there now, break even. Let's see what happens, guys. We got like 2 minutes to New York. Minute and a half. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Any news, man? I have nothing going on here, man. I'm not paying attention. That's what it is. I got an alert set on oil. Let me see. Right? I set an alert. Oh, yeah, it didn't come down. I got an alert set right here. But it didn't come down. It's going up without us. All right. It's quite all right, guys. It has to do what we want, or else we don't take it. You know what I mean? Go back to NAS. Still right at our entry, right about, within a pip or two or whatever. Yeah, beautiful. Win profit. Whew. We are in profit, guys. Okay, here we go. Here's the open. Pushing up, guys. Pushing up. There we go. You guys might want to get out. I don't know. I'm going to set a stop loss here in a minute. I want it to go a little up more. That's going to be my stop loss if I do take profit here somewhere. I want my stop loss in profit. Come on, baby. Let's go. Push up. Like I said, I think it's going to sweep this area, man, before, if it wants to drop, I think it's going to come here first and sweep this. There's liquidity sitting right here. Well, let's see what it does. I could be wrong. Happened once, at least I can remember. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get up there. Did it seal this fair value gap? Almost did. Look at that. Be worried if it did. Okay, guys, I'm up like 20 pips. See what it does here, guys. I'm going to get ready to take something. Come on. When it gets here, what is that? If it gets there, guys. I say when. People call me out on it all the time. I say when. All right, guys. I'm just thinking out loud. I'm not that's like 30 pips, we'll say. So I'm going to take 2/3 right here. That'll be 20 pips in the bank. See that green line right there? Let me put another line there. And then I'm going to set my stop loss. Has to get there first, though, guys. I didn't do nothing yet. All right, here we come, guys. Just got to reject off that fair value gap now, that blue one, and push up. That's what I'm expecting. Come on. There we go. Get out of there, you bum. Okay, here we go, guys. Come on, man. Get up there. Let's see if we got one more push in us. It may just shoot up real quick. So we'll see. It's 9:34 already, though. It's going to start slowing down here in a second. That's what normally happens. We're going to run out of JU-ice, man, in a minute. Guys, you can close anytime, man. You know, we're all adults here. You want 10 pips, take 10 pips. 15, take 15. A win is a win. I'm going to hold because my account's getting bigger now. But I don't mind holding. Come on, man. Damn, it makes you wait. I hate that. There it comes now. Come on. Let's go, baby. Damn. Stalling and stalling. I don't know if it's going to go up, man. Stalling too much now. It's starting to make me rethink it, you know? All right, we're on the 200 again, right at our entry. Let's see what it does here. Rejected off the 200. Nice. Hopefully. Rejecting off that fair value gap and the 200 right there. If it closes below the 200, I'll be a little worried. I don't mind it poking its head through, but I don't like it closing down there. It looks like it might do that. Yep. No, it didn't close. It's a 3-minute candle. Forgot about that. I'm usually on the 1 minute or the 2 minute. Just checking out the 3 minute today. I may stay on the 3 minute. We'll see. Now we're back in profit. Here we come. Here we come, guys. It came right to that fair value gap. Kind of rejected. It's above the 200 again. So let's see what happens now, guys. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Make me proud, NASDAQ. Make me proud, NASDAQ. Let's go, baby. Kick, what do you think, man? We're winning or not? We winning, man? You know, Maverick didn't come here to lose, man. Oh, man. Now I'm old. You could tell. Anybody know where that's from? You guys don't know about that, man. Maverick didn't come here to lose. All right, let's go, baby. Just gonna relax, man. Let nature take its course, man. Trying to wait us out, like trying to make us quit, man. We're not quitters, bro. This tea is unbelievable, man. Oh, a little cold though, but it's good. Right back to the 200 and rejecting. Oh. In profit. We're in profit, guys. It's the main thing. Now we're in profit. We got to go up. We're not where we need to be. We need a nice quick push up before it drops. I think it's going to come up here and sweep this area. Just grab this liquidity and then fall. That's what I think, man. That's my hypothesis. Sure, taking a sweet ass time though. It's right on the 200 again. It just rejected off it. Come on, baby. Let's go. There we come. I like when we flip the candle. Stay blue now. I love it when we flip the candle, man. See, we're starting to leave wicks down there. That's another good sign. Shout out to Wicks Don't Lie. I don't know what happened to your channel, bro. You had a good channel. I used to watch it a little bit. Wicks Don't Lie, man. Shout out to you. See, we're starting to leave these wicks here. If you can see, it's a good sign, man. We start leaving these long wicks on the bottom. Could mean you're going to push up. Could. It's just another sign, you know. Okay, we flip the candle again. Come on. Let's go, baby. Push up now. Here we come. I got to hold a cookie up here or something. Come on. Come on up. Come on. Almost had it. Here we come. Let me shake it up a little. There we go. Shake out the cobwebs. Let's go, baby. Now we're trying to make another push there. Having trouble getting up there, man. A lot of trouble getting up there. The sellers are all waiting. They seem to all be waiting around this area here. We got to break through this area. We got to make them run out of money, man. Keep going up there till they run out of money. Damn. Push this down again. It's a tough one today, guys. Doesn't want to give up. Here we go. Finally, man. Come on. Breakthrough now. Up about 20 pips. We were up about 20 pips there, 20-something pips. Yeah. Here we go. Push through, baby. Push through. Sellers are getting tired, man. I hope. Now we're starting to leave wicks up there. See that? I don't like that. Let's see what the other pairs are doing. Wow, US 30 still flying. Gold dropping. And we're back near our entry, right on the 200 again. Hopefully we'll reject up again. Man. All right, guys. Oh, goodness. Now we're leaving wicks on both sides. I don't know what it's going to do, man, to be honest with you. We're in profit, guys. You can call it whatever you want. I'm too stubborn, man. I am too stubborn, man. If it does come up here, guys, I will probably sell up here, man. I'll be looking for a sell up here if it sweeps this zone. We're going through to the other side. Yeah. Here we come, guys. Did we go higher? I believe we went a couple of pips higher, man, which is a good sign. Let me get ready to take profit. See if we can push up again. I got it ready now. I'm going to take 2/3, guys. We should be about 20 pips in the bank when it hits that purple line. I'm over 20 pips now in profit. I almost want to just say, let me just close, take these 24 pips or whatever it is, 25 pips. Let's see what it does. I want to see it push up. We got pretty much a double top. I want to see us push right above that little. If we could push above that, I think we'll go up. Just break that plane. There we go, guys. I'm going to take it, guys. Okay, I took it. Whatever it is, it is. Okay, I'm going to put my stop loss at 26123.4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0.4. Right? Yeah, 0.4. Okay. Stop loss set. That was a tough one, man. But we got a W. That's a W, guys. If you took that, give yourself a little round of applause, man. Good job, guys. Let's put a W in the chat, man. Okay, we got profit. We got our stop loss in profit, bro. We're risk free. Risk free now, guys. It's another W, man. 3 in a row. 3 days in a row now this week. Give me a W in the chat, Kick. Come on. Let's see if we can push all the way up now. Grab that last 15 pips or whatever it is. We didn't have much drawdown. I mean, we were going back and forth, but it wasn't much drawdown on that trade. So it was a good entry. It was a good call, man. If I do say so myself. Let me pat myself on the back over here. No one else is going to do it. So there we go. All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. Let me look around the horn. We're risk-free there, so I don't have to stare at it. Gold. All right, guys. Almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to get out of here. Let's see. Let me just watch this for another minute or two. Let's see if we get a volume at 10 o'clock to push us all the way. So we're above our zone now. Let's see if we can sweep that zone, like I said. See if it does what I thought it was going to do. Go to the 1 minute now. Trade is done. So, yeah, guys, check the description. You see the indicators I use. There's 3 main indicators that I use. They're in the description. They're all free, guys. They're all free. They're not my indicators or anything. They're just ones I found that I liked. You know, one is for the fair value gaps. One is to put these supply and demand zones. And the other one, I don't even remember what it's for. But, guys, we're here at full profit, guys. We just swept. Beautiful, guys. That's like 50 pips. See, we swept that liquidity. We could drop now. But we were right. We were right, guys. We rocked it. Good job, guys. For a while, I was averaging like 100 pips a day, man. But not lately, man. Lately, it's been a little tough. I gotta admit, it's been a little tough this last week, couple of weeks. But hopefully, we'll get back on track. But we're still winning, man. We gotta win every day, man. That's it. We got our win for the day. I'll call 50 pips. I keep track. Today's Wednesday. All right, guys. But with that, I'm going to call it a day, man. I'm going to go have my breakfast, go for my walk, my 3-mile walk. And I got other trades that I have open. I'll be watching them on my phone. Oh, we got that GJ. Oh, no, Euro. Yeah, we got Euro GBP, which is a sell, and GJ, which is a buy. We're a little bit of drawdown on GJ. A little bit of drawdown on both of them, but I'm not worried about it. So, yeah, guys, we're rocking it, man. As always, guys, as always, man, we always win. All right, guys, I got to go. Guys, have a great day on purpose, man. Guys, that was a beautiful trade. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try to be on to this afternoon. If I'm not out, I will be on at 2 o'clock. And we'll watch that meeting there they're going to have to raise the interest rates. All right, guys. Till then, give me a like on the way out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, man, or this afternoon. I'll see you tonight, too. We got the Sasana updates, man. This is a big week, man. We're starting to get it all together. Once those, excuse me. Once those utilities are together, we'll be fully launched. Thinking next week if everything goes good. But anyway, guys, cheers, man. Have a great day on purpose. God bless you. Thank you for stopping by, man. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys later, man. Cheers, guys.